Happy Information Wednesday, Shalise McQueen here. For my teaser video, I want to talk about flash floods, what to do if you happen to be caught in one, what not to do. And this is very important because I see on the news almost every single day how someone is caught in a flash flood in their car. And I'm born and raised in Arizona. I don't know how this happens. People don't pay attention. I don't know. But just want to give you guys some guidance on what to do in the event of. As I also mentioned in my teaser, we have all these influx of people relocating here to Arizona from all over the nation. And when you think of Arizona, you definitely are not prepared for our monsoon weather and crazy storms that we have, which of course includes our topic of the day, flash flooding. So before I jump into, of course, what to do and what not to do, how does this relate to insurance? Well, anytime that you have vehicle damage relating to fire, flood, theft, vandalism, water, that does fall underneath your comprehensive coverage. Once again, it's so important not to sell yourself short with coverages that you carry on both your home and auto, because in incidences like this do have a cost, and that cost is great if you don't have the coverage to back it up. So make sure you audit your policy, that you have comprehensive coverage, because that's what an incident like this would fall underneath in the event that you, of course, had flash flooding and your car had damage. So first and foremost, we always hear all those different alerts on our phones. As obnoxious as they are, they're there for a reason. And especially if you're new to Arizona, you don't necessarily know what's coming your way in terms of our torrential downpours we have sometimes, and of course, just our infrastructure in general here in Arizona. Our soil is not meant to handle it. Our roads are not necessarily built to handle the flash flooding. So definitely pay attention to those alerts and do yourself a favor. If you're not currently mobile in your vehicle, definitely stay home or wherever you're located. And then if you happen to be out and about, I would try to get to a safe place as soon as possible so you're not caught in the crossfire. So alerts is number one. Number two, if you happen to be physically caught in the flash flood, you want to make sure that your headlights, tail lights are on, your hazard lights, so people can kind of see you coming or approaching. And of course, any first responders are coming your way. You're going to be easier to identify. They say that you want to unlock your door, take your seatbelt off, unload. As I was saying, you want to buckle your seatbelt, unlock the door. You also want to take off any heavy outer clothing, so jackets, sweaters, things like that. Anything that's going to weigh you down in the event that you did have to exit your vehicle and make a swim for it, so to speak. You also want to slowly lower your window, obviously just enough so you have an ability to exit the vehicle, because more than likely the door may not be an option. Whenever we have an influx of water, more than likely you're going to have the fighting force of the water against your door, and it's going to be hard to actually jar it open. So the window will be more than likely your best bet. And last on our list, which probably should have been first on our list, you want to, of course, contact authorities, 911. Pay attention to the landmarks that may be around you, street signs. You can be easily identified based on your geographical location. And of course, if you do need to make a swim for it, you're going to try to find higher, secure ground. Now let's talk about what not to do. You definitely don't want to be panicking, because you need all of the wits about yourself. And in the event that you're having a hard time opening your door, do not struggle with it. Again, the water pressure is a huge force to be reckoned with, and you don't want to wear yourself out, because who knows how long you're going to be in the situation, or if you do have to, of course, make a swim for it. If for some reason you are not able to unroll your window enough to escape, do not break your window. More than likely that glass breaking is going to come at you versus away from you, which is going to cause a whole nother series of issues for you. Once you get out of your car, do not try to take any possessions with you. Do not stay with your car. You're going to want to go to higher ground. This does not include the roof of your car. Again, these water levels definitely vary very quickly without warning, and you do not want to be swept away with your vehicle. You want to escape to higher, firm ground. And then even if you think the water is passing and it seems to be clear to get back, a clear path to get back to your vehicle, do not do that, because once again, you never know when the next round of water is coming your way. That's what safety personnel is for. Let them address your vehicle. You take care of yourself. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you want any more information on local safety, you can visit the news outlets and also your state governor with tips and tricks on how to stay safe during this monsoon season. As always, I'm here to be a resource for you regarding your home, auto, life insurance, and business insurance. So feel free to use me as a resource as always. You can give me a call at 602-525-5665 or email me at cmcqueen@farmersagent.com. Remember to ask yourself, are you protected? We'll see you next week.